Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I am remaking corn dodgers. I made them a couple weeks ago and I just couldn't give a good review about it. So instead of scrapping it completely, I decided to make them again but add like an egg, some flour. Today I added buttermilk and bacon and a little more salt. So maybe this time they'll have a little more flavor to them. Okay, so let's get started. Okay friends, now is the fun part. We get to try our corn dodger. The last time I made these, I baked them in the oven. And they didn't really have any color on them. And most importantly, they didn't have any flavor. So this time, I put buttermilk in them and bacon grease and chopped up pieces of bacon. I was thinking of putting peppers or like chili peppers, jalapenos. I just didn't have any out of the freezer, so I didn't put any in. Okay, so let's try it. Oh my. Well, that is a lot more flavorful than last time. Oh, I like that. And the cast iron skillet put a little char on the outside. And that brought some flavor to it along with the bacon. Much more flavorful, you know, and I also put some red pepper flakes in here. And a little more salt. I didn't put salt in it at first because of the bacon, but I did add some salt because it was just a little bland for me. But you do what you want. Add salt, not add salt. That's totally up to you. Well, we were successful with our corn dodgers. It was a new recipe for me and I thoroughly enjoyed the experience. So it was good. Well, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.